Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Ranger fan belt. First, gather your essential tools, including a new serpentine belt, a ratchet, and a socket set. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and properly supported with jack stands. Next, locate the serpentine belt tensioner pulley. It's typically a spring-loaded mechanism, often found near the alternator. Using a breaker bar or a long ratchet, apply counterclockwise pressure to the tensioner to release the belt's tension. Once the tension is off, carefully slip the old belt off all the pulleys, paying close attention to its routing path. Now, it's time to install your new serpentine belt. Refer to the routing diagram you found earlier and carefully thread the new belt around all the pulleys. Make sure the belt is properly seated in all the grooves. Once the belt is mostly in place, use your breaker bar again to release the tensioner and slip the belt over the final pulley. Before you finish, perform a thorough visual inspection. Ensure the new belt is perfectly aligned on every pulley and that there are no twists or kinks. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, listening for any squealing or unusual sounds. Turn off the engine and recheck the belt's tension and seating one last time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.